Yes. Yes.
I'm messing with you.
Yeah, you can use your birth certificate, but I've never seen a priority that does. Yeah. I'm like,
We know the
you know.
You know the drill, right?
Yes. Okay, there's yours, Ronald. And now we'll get yours.
Move today.
Yes.
Is this the first time this ship is selling out since the ground up?
No, it's been back a couple times now.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Just checking.
Yes. Yeah, but I do like working the Radiance days. It always goes really nicely.
Okay.
Okay, and it looks like... Okay, thank you so much. You can go through security when you're ready.
Made it. True. Don't worry. Yeah, do a video. What's up? All right.
Oh, sweet. Yeah. I'm worried.
All right, put them on me, brother. Appreciate it. Thank you, brother. Peace. What up, though, y'all? They treat me like royalty here when I got here. They treat me like I'm somebody. Welcome to YouTube. About to take our journey on to Hawaii. For all those that ain't never been here, I'm gonna give you a good view of the port, everything that's going on, so you know what's going on, so you be the first to know. Bia. Right here, this is my queen. She have to have all colors. All colors. This is my buddy right here. Tell them your name so we'll know who you are.
Andy.
All right, Andy. All right, Andy, take care. That's why you gonna be on YouTube, I'm telling you. She put that group together on Facebook, like 700 people. I'm like, after that is a lot. 400, yes. I'm gonna catch you when you go across the thing. soon as you go to jump over, I'm gonna be right there. Oh, y'all been to Buc-ee's? We never been to Buc-ee's. Buc-ee's. No, don't do them like that. Don't do them like that. Hey, buddy. I like that badge. That's a captain, right? Captain, I'm making sure we get on here, right? Let me get ahead of y'all so when y'all jump, that way I got you. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. The Bucky crew! I got more. Welcome, how you doing? Not right now. What up, though? Welcome to the room, y'all. Welcome to the room. Just getting in, just getting in. Right here, we go. Y'all know the routine. Always a pleasure to do a room tour. Right now, we have our room tour going on. You know, we got the regular routines with the closets. This is where your life jackets are. There they are on the bottom. This is our cabinets. Down here, is that a refrigerator? Oh, had a refrigerator inside. Got the mirror, got a few little adapters here, plugs. Very nice small room. Is different because it's turned different to normal, the way we normally get them. Not much to really look at, but as you can see, it's a quick tool. You know, you got the thing here where you can measure your room temperature, hot or cold. Here we are with the shower, which is another regular routine. Nice bathroom, pretty nice size, I like it. Again, you gotta be squeezed in. There's your shower and your toilet. As you can all see, that includes a small room tour. I appreciate you all for coming and checking us out. And hopefully we can show you plenty more of our room tours and different things going on around the cruise. As you can see, it's peace, love.